Day 6, DLR. I know why you're here. You are here for the DLR. Let's go over what you need to do. Remember to stop the video, do the work, and then check your work. DLR page, the first thing you need to do is come up with 2 words that rhyme with, no, 3 words that rhyme with time. 1, 2, 3. There's going to be a lot of correct answers to this one, so my examples will just be examples. You'll do the same thing for day. Then you'll move on to write 1 sentence using the homophone pair. I close my eyes and say 4 and 4. They sound the same, but in this case, they are spelled differently and have different meanings. You need to write a sentence using both of them. Then we have our sentence correcting. First sentence, Jennifer, my best friend, moved to Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. Harrisburg is the name of a city. Pennsylvania is the name of a state in the United States. Those sound like proper nouns to me. And then here, number 5 says, on July 4th, we will watch the fireworks explode in the sky. See if you can correct those sentences. DLR. You need to check your answers. These are rhyming words. What makes a word rhyme is it has the same ending sound. It can have lots of syllables as long as the sound at the end is the same. You can have totally different words as long as it ends with the sound I'm. So time and rhyme. Those words rhyme. Time and lime. Those words rhyme. You also see sometimes you even have very similar spelling. Not in this case, but in this case you do. And time and climb. Climb does have that silent B at the end. I'm no fan of silent letters. You know how I feel about it. If you're going to be in a word, do your job. But in this case, B is not doing its job. It's just silence. Make sure that your words have the I'm sound at the end. If they do, you can give yourself, we'll go 2 points for each word, 2, 4, 6. 6 points for this one. And we have day, and a word that rhymes with day, say. Even spelled the same. Day, this is a great math word. You got to make them when you are doing multiplication. Day and array. Then this third one, I went tricky. This one came to mind. Day and disobey. Look how weird disobey is spelled. E-Y, but it still makes the A sound at the end. Those are 3 words that rhyme with day. Your job is to make sure that you have the A sound at the end. That would be 6 points. So if you have them, I'm going to write a 6 here and a 6 here. Check out the sentence. I can't come home and check your sentence, but I'll talk about what you need to have to get the points in this sentence. You will need to make a group of 4. You have to have 4 as a number. Students 4, and then 4 like this. This activity, said Mr. McGow. As long as you have this, your sentence makes sense. It's nice and clear and easy to read. You can get the points for this one. We'll say this is worth 5 points if you have it. Let's check out the next sentences where you were supposed to correct. Jennifer, my best friend, moved to Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. Oh, I spelled Jennifer different. You need to have 2 N's. Don't make that mistake. Jennifer needs to be capitalized. Comma right here is already there. My best friend is already there. This is called the positive. You're just describing the subject to make it more familiar to the reader. You could actually take it out there. It still would make sense. Moved to is fine, but then we have some mistakes here. Harrisburg is a proper noun. It's a specific city. Then to separate the smaller from the larger, the city from the state, or the city from the province, whatever country you're talking about, you need a comma. Then you need a capital P for the state. This is in the US, province, and other countries, which also need to be capitalized. Then you need to have a period at the end. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's turn it into a 5 day. And then let's check number 4. On July 4th or July 4, we will watch the fireworks explode in the sky. On needs to be capitalized, beginning of the sentence. July needs to be capitalized. It's a proper noun. It is a month. 4 is fine. comma. Then we will watch the fireworks explode in the sky. I chose to use an exclamation point. I love fireworks. They're fun to watch. Maybe you put a period. That would be fine too. That would be a total of 1, 2, 3 mistakes. Add up your points. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 3 is 15, 20, 25. Could be the most. Write your score up here. Hopefully you're keeping good track of your work. Well, that's all for the DLR today. Hopefully you're learning lots, getting all of your work done. Hopefully you're having a great day. See you guys soon.